Come to a seat here. And what we're going to do is tilt our pelvis. So we're thinking of our pelvis like a bowl here and thinking of a neutral place as a place where the bowl is not going to tip over, spill whatever is in our bowl. Try tipping all the way forward. Your sits bones are going to go back, 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 back. Like if you're standing, your butt will come out. In this case, I'm kind of getting into a little bit of back bend, and whatever would be in that bowl is sort of would be spilling forward. Come back through neutral and then spill the other direction. So it's sort of a cat-cow almost. If you're in the chair, it might feel a little bit like a cat-cow. You're spilling, the sits bones come kind of forward, and you're tipping your pelvis back. And again, whatever the soup, the cereal is both pouring out the back. And I'm sort of exaggerating this in a big way. You might not do quite that much. And then having felt like those extremes of the back and forth of the pelvis, coming back to center and finding what for you, and it's a little different for everyone, feels like a good grounded space when you're seated. If you're standing, you might really feel an alignment between like hips, like pelvis, hips, knees, feet, really lined up one over the other. And so remembering what this strong pelvis feels like, because we're going to start moving in this. Next, we're going to move into a lunge. Chair pose in the chair. Again, coming to the edge, this feels comfortable to you. Grounding through your sits bones, finding that good, strong pelvis, and then grounding through and up, and maybe bringing your arms up. And if you're in the chair, the spine stays long and long, but maybe you lean a little bit forward into this chair pose. If you're standing, squatting down, again, keeping those sits bones headed toward the heels. I mean, they're not going to touch, but like headed as if you're going in that direction, keeping that good, strong middle pelvis, the one that's not totally spilling. This is probably spilling a little bit if we had things in our bowl of our pelvis because we're coming a little bit forward. But squatting and then maybe bringing your arms up. Heart is open here. Long, low back, grounded pelvis, firm belly. Breathing into the back bottom rib cage, chair pose, Utkatasana.